In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move or forward a custom domain in Chrome. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to the domains list page in the platform you're working with. This page is where all of your available domains are listed. So take a moment to make sure everything has fully loaded before moving on. If you manage multiple domains, it can help to quickly scan the list and confirm you're selecting the correct one, since forwarding changes should always be applied to the intended domain only. Once you're on the domains list page, select your target custom domain. This will open the domains management area where you can access its settings and make changes related to how that domain behaves. Be careful here and double check the domain name before clicking, especially if several entries look similar. After opening the correct custom domain, look for the settings navigation path and click Forwarding. This section is specifically used for sending visitors from one domain to another destination. In other words, when someone enters your custom domain in their browser, forwarding allows them to be redirected automatically to a different web address. Inside the forwarding section, click Move Forward Domain. This option is what allows you to define the destination that your selected domain should send traffic to. Once you open it, you should see a field labeled Forward To. This is where you'll enter the full destination URL. Now type your destination URL directly into the forward to text box field. Make sure you enter the address carefully and completely, including the correct beginning of the URL if required by the platform. A small typo here can cause the redirect to fail or send visitors to the wrong location, so it's worth pausing for a quick review before saving. When everything looks correct, click Save to apply the change. After saving, the forwarding settings should be updated and your custom domain will begin directing visitors to the destination URL you entered. Keep in mind that some domain-related changes may take a little time to fully update, depending on the system and domain propagation behavior, so if it doesn't appear instantly, give it a little time and test again. And that's it. You've successfully updated your custom domain forwarding settings in Chrome.